Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here is the lesson number 27, regular verbs in German. Regelmäßige Verben. Our today's lesson is regular verb. Regular verb means regelmäßige Verben. Repeat after me, regelmäßige Verben. Or you can say schwachen Verben. Schwachen Verben, which means weak verbs. Overview of this lesson. First I am going to tell you what is regular verbs. Now then example of regular verbs, and then regular verbs conjugation in present tense. What is regular verbs? Regular verbs क्या है? A regular verb is any verb whose conjugation follows the typical pattern of the language to which it belongs, which means in regular verbs verb stem does not change. Now the example of regular verbs. First example is makhan. Makhan means to make. Spielen. Spielen means to play. Makhan, spielen. Hören. Hören means to hear. Arbeiten. Arbeiten means to work. Sagen. Sagen means to say. Reisen. Reisen means to travel. Warten. Warten means to wait. Kommen. Kommen means to come. Wohnen. Wohnen means to live. And fragen. Fragen means to ask. Now the verb conjugation in presence. Present means present tense. Verb stem plus endung. Verb stem plus endung. Verb stem means stem of the verb. Endung means ending of the verb. Endung depends on singular, plural and gender of the subject. Verb conjugation in presence. As I already told in my previous video of Satzstruktur part 2, for ich verb stem plus e, for du verb stem plus st, for gs verb stem plus t, er means he, z with small s means she, s means it. For wir zz verb stem plus en, for ear verb stem plus t. Now I am going to tell you through verb sagen, to say. Now its conjugation. For ich verb stem plus e, that's why ich sage. For du verb stem plus st, du sagst. For gs verb stem plus t, er sagt, sie sagt, es sagt. For wir verb stem plus en, wir sagen. Z with capital S is a formal U. For Z verb stem plus en, Sie sagen. Another Z with capital S is a formal plural. Verb stem plus en, Sie sagen. Ear is a informal plural. Verb stem plus T, sagt. Now the verb fragen. Fragen means to ask. Same. Ich frage, du fragst, sie es fragt, wir fragen, sie fragen, and ihr fragt. Now the verb machen. Machen means to make. Ich mache, du machst, sie es macht, wir machen, sie machen, another sie machen, ihr macht. Now the special case. If a verb ends with den or ten, for example, warten, finden, arbeiten, in those cases, du endung will be est, not st, and t becomes et. In gs, t becomes et, and in ear, t becomes et. Now I am going to tell you through verb warten. Here the verb warten ends with ten. Now the conjugation ich warte, du wartest. est, not st. gs wartet, ET, not T. Wear warten, Sie warten, ear wartet. ET. Now the verb finden. Finden means to find. Here the verb finden ends with den. So the conjugation ich finde, du findest. EST, not ST. Er sie es findet. ET. Wir finden, Sie finden, ihr findet. ET. There is another special case. If a verb stem ends with S, Asset or Z, zum Beispiel, short form of zum Beispiel is ZB. Zum Beispiel means, for example, reisen, tanzen. Then in those cases, ST becomes T in du. Reisen. Here the verb reisen means to travel. Verb stem ends with S. Now the conjugation ich reise, du reist. REIST, not double S. Er sie es reist, wir reisen, sie reisen and ihr reist. Tanzen. Tanzen means to dance. Here the verb stem ends with Z. Ich tanze, du tanzt. ZT, not ST. Er sie es tanzt, wir tanzen, sie tanzen, ihr tanzt. Dankeschön. See you in the next lesson. Please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Bye.